everyone, welcome back to Trackside Tales. Today, I'm going to be going to the store to buy a Thomas & Friends Mini. I hope they're in stock. Okay, time to get to the store. Okay, I got the Burger Diesel. I don't know. Okay, well let's head back. Okay, I'm back to the store and look what else I got. I guess it's a surprise. Here is the Burger Diesel. Let's get to opening him, then we get the surprise. Okay, this is going well. Then we get a montage going. Okay, I got the Burger Diesel and my little template. Here's the template. Here's Burger Diesel. Super cute, I feel like. Let me put him here and let's get Thomas out with some scissors. Okay? Wait, I just found a surprise. Oopsie. I've never heard that, but I don't know. I didn't tell you what Thomas made it, so it's Aqua Thomas. Yeah, aqua. It looks like fire, but it's water. So that's the Thomas. So let me show them off to you. Okay. I think these two will be a great addition to the collection. So here's the Burger Diesel. I don't know what to call him. I'll probably ask in one of the chats eventually. And Aqua Thomas, do not try this because it is not efficient when you could just do this, okay? So do that, okay? Unless you're like me and don't have thumbs. Sometimes I don't, but usually I do. So look, see, that's how you connect them. They stay together pretty good. Thomas just took a spin out there. Look at the detail there. I love that. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Bye. Just found out what Burger Diesel really is. He's Diesel 10. Here is his little claw arm if you look closely. So no, it's not just sprinkles on the burger. I checked. So that's what Diesel 10 is dressed as, a burger today. So maybe he is kind. Who knows? Bye now. Please like and subscribe.